Good morning students, well all is well, welcome you all in English class. Today we are going to learn a very important topic of English grammar, determiners. What is determiner? Determiner is a modifying verb that determines the kind of reference a noun and a group of noun has. For example, the, every, some, any, a few, etc. So let's see. Next, determiners, what are they? You will be determined. You can see here in the picture, you will be determined, and for that you use such words like the, my, five, six, both, that, these, those. Such words are what? Such words are used before the noun. So determiners are words which introduce a noun. One or more determiners can be found before a noun. Remember, there can be more than one determiners used before the noun. They do not have comparatives or superlative degree like big, bigger or biggest. Clear? So, there are having adjectives, but they are different kinds of adjectives. So, you can see the, that, my, five. Such words are what? They are determiners. Types of determiners. You already know very well what are types of determiners. Types of determiners are articles, demonstratives, and possessives and quantifiers. They all come under determiners. So first of all, let's know about articles. I think you know very well how to use articles. This is we have learned in our previous classes. Okay, so there are two kinds of articles: the definite article and the indefinite article. Definite article, the indefinite article, a or an. So nouns can be found with or without articles. For example, you can see dogs need to be walked every day. There are no articles. The dogs need to be walked every day. Articles the is there. A dog needs to be walked every day. So it depends on the situation. We use articles or we may not use. Okay, so let's see the next. Demonstrative. First was article, second word is demonstrative. What do you mean by demonstratives? Demonstrative means to point out or indicate something. So there are four demonstratives usually: this, that, these and those. And certain yonder are also comes under demonstrative. For these words to act as demonstrative, they must be in front of a noun. Okay. These words means these demonstrative words, this, that, these and those should be before the noun. Okay, that porridge was delicious. That is a determiner. That was delicious. Here after that there is no adjective, no noun. Okay, so what is there? In the first sentence, after that there is porridge, that is a noun, that is determiner. Okay, in second sentence you can see after that there is no noun. That was delicious. This is pronoun. So next is those people were so rude. After those there is a noun. So it's a determiner. You can see the next. Those were awful. Those were awful. So those after those there is no noun. So it's a pronoun. Clear? Wherever after demonstrative word there are no nouns. In place of noun there are helping verbs. So that is a pronoun. Clear? Next. Can you identify the demonstrative determiners in the sentence? Okay, I prefer this cheese to that cheddar. Okay, what is determiner in this? That cheese and that cheddar. Okay, next, these grapes came out of that box. What are determiners? These grapes and that box, because after those demonstrative there are nouns, so they are determiners. much, just a bit of this and that. Okay, so this is what? They are not determiners this and that, because after that there is no noun. Am I clear? Next, those chocolates are just asking to be eaten. Those chocolates, determiners. That's an enormous spot on your face. No. These are much tastier than those apples. So what is this? Those apples. Clear? So you can see the answer here also. In this slide, all red letters are determiners, demonstrative determiners. Remember, in demonstrative determiner, what should come? There should be noun after demonstrative words. Clear? Let's move ahead. The next is possessive determiners. What is the meaning of possessive? It means something belonging to you. My, your, his, her, its, our, and their. Before a noun will be possessive determiners. Mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, and theirs on their own are pronoun, not determiners. Again the same word. After the possessive words, if there are nouns, so they are possessive determiners. If after possessive words there are helping verbs, so they are not determiners, they are possessive pronouns. Clear? So, see here, my writing is neater than yours. My writing. This is possessive determiner. Okay, the dog ate its food quickly. Its food determiners. Everywhere noun is there after possessive word. His class are so lazy. His class determiners. Okay, possessive determiner. Her singing was much more tuneful than his. So her singing is determiners. Their team beats ours. So this is also determiners, because after every possessive word there is noun. It is not their fault her coat got lost. Okay, so their fault and her coat is what? Determiners. Which determiners? Possessive determiners. Next, can you identify the possessive determiners in the sentence below? She polished his shoes than hers. So, this is what? His shoes. Okay? Because his possessive word and after that shoes is a noun. So, his shoes is a possessive determiners. Okay? Next, it is shameful that its saddle is so small. Its saddle. Her feet were smellier than his. So, her feet. Okay? His cakes were sold, whereas our biscuits were not. So, his cakes and our biscuits. Clear? Our job is to make sure that cars are cleaned properly. Our job. Okay? Ours is not an easy task. It is not possessive determiner because there is no noun. It was my word against his. So, my word. Okay? Next is, your bedtime should be after hers. Your bedtime. Am I correct? You can see all this here. All red letter words are here. Possessive determiners. They are all in red color. I hope it's clear to you. Let's move ahead. Quantifiers determiners. It tells you and shows you how many or how much of something. Numbers before a noun are quantifier determiners. I ate 6 biscuits. The flat is on the 6th floor. I saw 2000 and something. So whatever is there in the quantity, in the number, they are all quantifier determiners. Okay, the following quantifiers will work with countable nouns like many trees, a few trees, several trees, couple of trees, and none of the trees. So such words are also quantifiers. Okay. The role quantifiers will work with uncountable nouns. There are some of the quantifier which we use to show the quantity of something. Okay, they are uncountable nouns. So what kind of determiner we use before that? Not much. Dancing, little dancing, a bit of dancing, a good deal of dancing, a great deal of dancing, no dancing. Okay, so it is what? It's showing the how much amount or quantity is there. Okay, next is the following quantifiers will work with both countable and uncountable nouns. Like all of the trees, you can say all of the trees, or you can say all of the dancing. Some trees, some dancing, enough trees, enough dancing, a lot of trees. Just for example, I took trees or dancing. You can take any other word. You just see the quantifier like all of these, some, and enough, lot of trees, lots of trees, plenty of trees, a lack of. Such words we use to show both countable and uncountable noun. So some, many, more, less, no, little, both, each, all, enough, half, whole, every, any, much, few, a few, the few, several, plenty, lots, a lot, and ample are all examples of quantifier determiners. They must be used before a noun, otherwise they act as pronoun. Okay? If after such words there are nouns, so they are determiners. If there are no nouns, so they are pronouns. Clear? Several dogs wandered off. So determiner. Several wandered off is pronoun. Okay? Most children support not which determiner. After most, what is the noun? Clear? Children. Okay? Most support not which. There is no noun, so that is pronoun. Okay? Some nouns are countable, others are not. You can use some quantifier with both sorts. Okay, did you have lots of fun on your holiday? There is still some dirt on the table. There are some people who would not care less. We found many spiders in the bath. There were no laughter in that house. Which of the nouns, fun, dirt, people, spiders and laughter are countable? So, here are few examples. In this, you have to identify the quantifier determiners. Okay, ready? So, he keeps 6 beetles in a jar under his bed. What is the answer? Right. Second, I am not telling you the answer. If you spent less time on your box, you would get more homework done. She scored more with her second drive than her first. In no time, he had plenty of apples in his baskets. Several lions had escaped from the first cage. Each child had enough to last a whole month. Both had spent all their money before the third week in August. Have you all done? Write your answer. Okay. Have you written? Now check your answer here. All the quantifier determiners are there in right. Is your answers correct? If not, then listen the video again for better understanding. Okay. So, determiners with pronoun. In some cases, determiners can be used with pronouns like all of them were wrong. Okay, all of them. Before I have told you, after determiner there should be noun. If not, they are pronoun. But in some cases, determiners can be used with pronoun. Like all of them. Here, them is pronoun. Okay, but wrong. So it's a determiner. I would like that one. I will eat lots of those. She squashed 5 of these. The one I really wanted was lost. So such kind of words are determiners. Now it is the next. See there next. The heavy rain flattened their sunflowers. Those 4 Now, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. There is no time like the present. A stitch in time saves nine. Right answer. Okay. Here the answer is. Have you got the answer? Yes, please. So, student, practice it and solve the exercises by your understanding, and you can ask the doubt to your teacher. Thank you.